Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download and install the KeyBank mobile app on your phone in 2025. If you're a KeyBank customer and want to manage your money, transfer funds, or pay bills on the go, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. First, open your App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on Android. In the search bar, type KeyBank Mobile. Look for the official app published by KeyBank National Association. Tap install on Android or get an iPhone. Wait for the app to finish downloading. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your connection. Once installed, tap open to launch the KeyBank app. You'll see the login screen. Enter your KeyBank online banking username and password. If you don't have an account yet, tap enroll now to create one directly from the app. After logging in, you can check balances, transfer money, pay bills, or find nearby ATMs right from your phone. And that's it. That's how you download and install the KeyBank mobile app in 2025. Now, you can manage your banking anytime, anywhere. If this guide helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.